Hello everyone, we are about to unbox the analog FPAA kit from Okika devices. FPAA stands for Field Programmable Analog Array, which is great for quick prototyping in the analog realm. Alright, let's dive in. The AN231K04 is a configurable analog chip. Each chip has 4 configurable analog cores. There's a USB Type-B cable included to connect to the computer. USB stick contains the software and documents. Here we go again. The Quad4 Apex FPAA development board. The board is featured with 4 FPAA chips. We can configure the I/O using dip switches. It also features breadboard areas and the LCD interface. A PIC32 microcontroller acts as a host for FPAA. The board can run a power supply that ranges from 4 volt to 6 volt. We are super excited to get started with this board. Stay tuned for more updates and scan the QR for more details. Thank you.